Hello children. So today we will revise the fourth chapter, that is Partho the Park Keeper. So as I already told you that you will learn the word meanings, and children, you have been given the who said to whom from all the chapters. So you will learn who said to whom, okay, because questions may come from that also. And word meanings you will not leave, and you will read the chapters. I've been telling you in all the chapters that you have to go through the chapters, okay. You will read the chapter, each chapter you will read at least 3, 4, 5 times, okay, because questions may come from anywhere in the chapter. So don't leave anything, children. Now open page number 26. So A part is question answers, you have already written in your copy, so this I am not going to revise again. Now come to B part. Read these and answer the questions. People should throw rubbish only in the bins. Okay, this is also question answer part only, so this is also you will learn from the copy only. C1. Now number these sentences in the correct order to sum up the story. Now here sentences are given which are not in the correct order, so you have to place it in the correct sequence, okay, according to the story. Whatever happened first, you will give number 1, and then sequence wise whatever happened you have to number it. So I'll just read out the number: 3, 6, 8, 1, 5, 4, 2, 7. I repeat: 3, 6, 8, 1, 5, 4, 2, 7. Now come to next question. Circle the correct word to complete each sentence. Leela has an orange. Again I tell you that the explanation part I have already done, so I will just read out the answers, okay. Why it is A, why it is am, so this I have already explained to you. Leela has an orange. She shares the orange with her brother. Second, I am reading a comic book. The comic book is called Tenali Rama. Why the? Because now we are repeating it, so we will use the word, the article the. Mother bakes a cake for my birthday. Now the cake is the word cake we are repeating, so we will say the. The cake has my name on it. Turn the page. Karan and Raja are in the zoo. They see an ostrich there. My friend has a pet cat. The cat loves playing with yarn. Now complete these sentences with a, an or the. He is an artist. First one is given. Second, I drink a glass of milk and eat an egg for breakfast. Third, Dia has a raincoat. Her brother Raju uses an umbrella when it rains. There is a small school in our village. We live near the school. We watched a film called Cinderella. We enjoyed the film very much. Okay. Next is answer these questions with the opposite of the words in color. Look at the words in the box for help. So first one is no, it is a small animal. Second one, no, it is a tall tree. T-A-L-L, tall tree. Third one, no, my school is very far from the market. F-A-R, far. Fourth, no, it is quite dull. D-U-L-L, dull. There is just one light in it. Fifth, no, she is reading a new one. N-E-W, new one. She bought it today. Sixth, no, he is using a clean one. C-L-E-A-N, clean one. Now next is match the following. Partho is D, a park keeper. Second, 2, his job is A1, to keep the park clean. He loves E1, his job. He wants children B, to enjoy the park. He and his team C work very hard. So 1 D, 2 A, 3 E, 4 B, and 5th is C. Okay children, we will do the book exercise of the poem The Sun also. Children, don't forget to learn the poet's name. Okay, and also in chapter also you will learn the writer's name, author's name, and poet's name. You will learn it, and also you will learn the poem. Okay, because it can come like complete the lines of the poem. So at least first 10 lines you learn properly of both the poems. Okay, now come to page number 31. Tick the correct answer. The speaker thinks that the sun sleeps. A1, sleeps at night. Correct. B, hides behind the hills. Correct. C, becomes the moon in the night. Correct. D, hides behind the clouds at night. Wrong. Goes back to its home to sleep. Correct. Hides in the forest. Correct. G, goes round the earth. Correct. Now next is question answers. You have already done it. Find the opposite of these words in the poem. Wake up, sleep. Inside, outside. Cooling, warming. W-A-R-M-I-N-G. Warming. Quickly, slowly. Now turn your page. Find all the 8 pair of words that rhyme in the poem. Bright, night. Hide, side. Hills, chills. Rest, best. Home, roam. Around, town. That, flat. Round, ground. Now B, the speaker talks about the sun as if it were a person. Tick the sentences that show us this. Do you think it needs to rest? Yes. Or is the moon its other side? No. This is not the quality of a person. Could it even have a home? Yes. So first and third one you tick. So children, this is all about the revision of your first term portion. Again, I say that you learn all the word meanings, learn all the question answers, learn all the book exercise, read the chapter, each and every chapter properly and very, very carefully, and learn who said to whom, and learn the poet's name, and learn the poem. Because at least first 10 lines of the poems you learn properly, because it can come to complete the lines of the poem. So children, don't leave anything and study properly. Thank you.